Good morning. Today we're gonna harvest some of our corn. It's ready to pick. I'm gonna freeze it so we can have some corn, fresh corn all year, frozen corn all year, for as long as it lasts.
So Dad, where's our corn? Oh, there's the corn.
Just got a couple buckets. See how full we can get.
And a basket.
And a basket. Ready? Let's get lost in this corn.
Okay.
This is
Where
peaches
is this
and cream. Peaches and cream.
Yeah.
Fill the buckets full.
I found the corn.
Got some corn?
How do I pull it out? Hopefully, like rip it down.
Yep, rip it down. Woo! Corn everywhere.
Got one. I got it like this.
Yeah.
Look. Look, Dad, look.
Yep. Good job.
Okay, so I have to put it like in here. You can't twist it out.
There's a big one right there.
You can twist the corn out.
Yeah, we'll do that later when we put it on our table. Another big one. Wow.
So much corn. It's corn season.
We'll be right back.
It's corn season still.
Yep. Okay. Got a couple buckets full. Let's get started on that. Let's get started. So all we do, pull up the first couple of husks and fill the corn right here. We're just going to cut the tip off of it. Get these off. And fill the bottom down here. The end of the corn. Cut the end of the stem off. Just like that. I'm going to stick them in a freezer bag, vacuum seal it, and freeze them. Oh, I got an earwig. Earwig!
Now you work.
Yeah. I think we can get in there. 5? Yeah.
I don't know. I think maybe 10.
10? Yeah, I think 5 is going to be it. Oh, that's okay in here. Pretty big. Yeah, I think 6. Okay, I just seal this up. You can reuse these bags over and over again if you didn't know. So it's not getting wasted on. Yeah, you ever got yet? You ever got me? In there. There's eggs there and a baby earwigs come out and eat our corn. Yeah, I think this is going to completely fill up our freezer. We're going to have to buy another one. So we're going to have to buy another freezer. Look at that. We have 6 more rows of corn to go. And we just throw that in the freezer just like that. Freeze up just fine. No blanching. No crazy stuff. Really simple. So let's finish this up. If there's any bugs in there, they're going to get frozen. Let's see if cryogenics really works. That's up. There's there, bud. Everybody's in there? Yeah? Everybody's in there?